Hi, in today's video I would like to introduce a very nice and interesting equation of Bulgarian Mathematical Olympiad edition 2007. The question solve the following equation. We have 8 to the x minus 2 to the x is divided by 6 to the x minus 3 to the x equals 2. Okay? In fact, this is very nice problem, but it's very tricky. The problem, they didn't even tell us which set we can solve this equation. Okay? They leave it to you guys to figure out which set we can solve this one. So we are going to start working on this one. At some point we are going to figure out. Okay, as you know, this is very interesting equation. Just if you would like to give that a try to this problem, when we come back to see the full solution. Okay, let's get into the solution. So we have this following equation. We have 8 to the x minus 2 to the x is divided by 6 to the x minus 3 to the x equals number 2. Okay, so simply I'm going to factor out this one. I'm going to 8 to the x is the same thing as 2 to the 3x. Okay, minus 2 to the x is divided by 6 to the x. I'm going to take the 3. I'm going to take 3 to the x as a common factor. This one is given as 3 to the x is multiplied by 2 to the x minus 1 equals number 2. Okay, so I'm going to take also 2 to the x as a common factor. This one is giving me 2 to the x is multiplied by 2 to the 2x minus 1 is divided by 3 to the x is multiplied by 2 to the x minus 1 equals number 2. Okay, so I'm going to factor out this one also. This one is given us 2 to the x is multiplied by 2 to the x minus 1 factor 2 to the x plus 1 is divided by 3 to the x is multiplied by 2 to the x minus 1. This one equals number 2. Okay, it's very clear. I'm going to cancel out 2 to the x minus 1 because one is in numerator, the other one is in denominator. I will be ended with the following expression. I will have 2 to the x is multiplied by 2 to the x plus 1 is divided by 3 to the x equals number 2. Okay, and also this number 2 will be cancelled down to the number 1 because we have here 2 to the x. I'm going to multiply side by side, so I will have here 2 to the x minus 1 is multiplied by 2 to the x plus 1 equals 3 to the x. Okay, now I'll have ended with this expression. Now it will become a big problem if you try to solve your equation in real numbers. Okay, this is not easy equation. If the solution is an integer number, okay, is allowed to apply the arithmetic rule here. Okay, but if it's a real number, so you have to figure out another method. Okay, sometimes you are guessing. You are going to guess. I know this is very confused point. I'm going to guess. Okay, consider x as an integer number. Okay, x now. X if is an integer, if you take a look carefully at this equation, right hand side of this equation is a odd. Okay, but the left hand side of this equation is a even because we have 2 to the x minus 1. Okay, and also this term is a odd because 2 to the x is even and number 1 is a odd. That means this term is a odd is multiplied by even is given as even, but the right hand side of this equation is a odd because this is not normal. Now we have to figure out how to fix this equation to make it on the same side, even or odd. Okay, so in order to fix the issue and make our equation work correctly, I'm going to maintain left hand side of this equation. Okay, I'm going to give this one, so this number 2 to the x minus 1 must be equal to 1 in order to get odd here. So the only way to get the left hand side of this equation odd, we must give 2 to the x minus 1 number 1. Okay, so 2 to the x minus 1 must equal to 1. Okay, that means x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, because 2 to the 0 equals 1. Okay, that means x equals 1. Now our equation is solved. We found x equal to 1. Now our assumption was true. Now you can choose any set you want because x belongs to any set. Now if you want to take x equal to 1 as a real number, you can take it. Let's check this solution is verifying this equation or no. Okay, we have 8 to the 1 minus 2 to the 1 is divided by 6 to the 1 minus 3 to the 1. 8 is 8 minus 2, which is 6. 6 minus 3 equal 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, which is verifying this equation. Okay, now I have done with this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.